All right, YouTube, what's going on? It's the first of the year, New Year's Day, I would say, and I'm going to work because the bills don't stop, so therefore you can't stop. We ain't actually working today, it's only me. I got this list here of trees that we got to go do next week, and hold on one second, make sure I make a safe turn. But basically what I got to do is I usually go out before we go out, and I find the trees, mark the road, figure out where everything is, and I'm basically going to show you that today. So it should be pretty interesting, but I like to do it before we go out because, one, I don't really know what we're walking into whenever we go out and do this. So it's always smart for me to go out, take a look, figure out what equipment we need. Sometimes we need the log truck. Sometimes we don't need the log truck. Sometimes we need the skid steer or the sal, or, you know, figure out exactly what trucks we're going to take. I'm passing a trooper at 70 and a 55. Let's hope he doesn't turn around. This damn this dually is way faster than it should be, but he's still cruising. He didn't want to smoke. Anyway, I'm gonna. It's a pretty long drive, hour and a half, hour 40 minutes, something like that. So once I get out on the road, I'll hit you guys back. Oh, what the hell are you doing here, YouTube? How the hell'd you get here? You're on a freaking guardrail? Alright, so we're on the road where we gotta be. We are at mile marker 1377. And we have to find our first trees at 1306. Now, the funky part about this is that not all the mile post markers are always there. So what happens is I usually will drive as close as I can find to it, and then I will set my tripodometer and try to follow from there. So we'll figure that out here in a second. Alright, we found the first one, boys. It's right outside my passenger window. There it is. And luckily all the mile markers were all here. Like I said before, they're usually some of them are missing because the plow trucks hit them or whatnot. So what we got to do now is first thing we got to do is we got to back up. That is her right there with the blue dot on. So the DOT guy comes and he marks them all blue. And then I come out and mark the road, find out where they are in between the 2 mile markers. So let me get the old helmet rig on and we'll be right back. Right, so I figured it out. Somehow I confused in my brain, but these mile markers traveling in the lane that I am now, which is the opposite that I just was. These mile markers are traveling up. When I went over there before, I had went to 1306 or whatever, thinking they were traveling up on that side, but they're actually traveling down on that side. And that one that I painted was actually the last one, not the first one. So we're here now. And I think actually what had happened was he just basically, I mean, you can see them all right there. He just basically, where our last tree was last year, which this paint here, I don't know if this is tilted enough, it is, was the absolute last tree that we did last year. And the water's actually really fucking high, surprisingly. This is the Papacton Reservoir, which is one of like the multiple reservoirs that feed into New York City. So if you're down in New York City and you turn on your shower, boom, this is the water that shows up. Oh, look at that fish. I hope I got that. That was pretty sweet. That looked like a decent sized fish. Anyway, here's the last one, which technically is the start of this year's. Exactly where we ended, 1306. And here should be our first tree. So, oh, it's right there. Perfect. So that's going to be our first at 1306. And I actually, like I said, I had it reversed. We're on the right side of the road. The way DOT does it is the right side of the road is always the side that the mile markers are going up in number. Because if he didn't remember that, you would have no idea which way he was traveling when he marked these trees. So 1306, this is right here. Boom. Boom. We got that. And then, so that's the first tree heading that way. We're going to make sure we don't get hit by a car here. And this will be the last tree heading this way. So generally what we'll do is, we'll probably, when we get here, we'll start there, go all the way down to the last tree here, turn around, work our way up to the last tree here. So here is, that's that tree. There we go on that. And obviously, as you see, this paint stays pretty damn long. That will be gone by this winter. So let's cruise on down. So again, if we got 1306, the right is going to run to 1308. So that's not that very far. Oh look, somebody being respectful. Somebody being respectful and slow down. Nothing here. We got a car coming up behind us. We're gonna pull off. Let this car around us. This guy go right around us. Still got trees over here.
Everything okay to go on?
Oh yeah, no, you're good. Yeah, I'm just a contractor looking for dead trees. Have a good one. You got trees in there, which this is fucking sweet because we got all this. This shoulder is massive, so we'll be able to set up stretch right here. I mean, I don't know though, because a lot of these trees don't look that big. So, I mean, we shut the lane down right here. I mean, you have a massive amount of room. And these trees aren't very big. The guardrail will hang up to these. We'll be able to fell these, and you won't destroy the guardrail. So it's not bad. But well, let's see what this actually. I'm not gonna walk down there without my paint. That would be stupid. But I think that's 1308 down there. So 1308. Wow. So they can extend past 1308 because remember, as I was explaining on the other side, we're actually currently in 1307. So, like, look at this guy. They're idiots, man. That's because most of them are from New York City. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put the old heated jacket battery in my heat. Oh, I already got a battery in there. What the hell? I had no idea. See, these batteries are so small, so lightweight. I didn't even know there was a battery in it. I thought I took it out to charge it. We're golden, baby. All right, let's keep looking. 1308. You're like, look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Probably get every single tree right here with Stretch Armstrong. Smoke it. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't mind making a lot of money in a short amount of time. All right, we got a couple here. I think this is the last guy right here. Nope, there's another one here. Last one's got to be somewhere up here. I'm wondering if this is it. This used to be, yeah, this was a mile marker for 1309, and it's not there. Because usually they'll have these two little reflective stripes. And there's the first tree, obviously heading that way. So this is definitely it right here. Easy. And now we know we could bring Stretch Armstrong out. We have all this room, which is going to make our life so much easier. 3, 4, 18, 19, 21. We got 23 foot to the double yellow. And I just want to show my daughter this because I was trying to explain to her how curved these roads actually are. There you go, Summer. Look at that. Remember, you're like, no, they're not. I was like, yes, they are. If those roads were flat, Summer, how would this can roll down it? It's banked. As a matter of fact, when you're working out here, when you're on this road all day, your ankles start hurting. And I got serious bitch ankle, so. Holy shit, look at these turkeys. Hey, get over here, turkeys. Oh, bunch of fucking turkeys. Oh yeah, they're going to roost up there. Ah, fucking turkeys. The air here is so crisp. It's like, it's just nice to breathe. This would be the easiest 5-digit number I've ever made. Alright, we're out here. I already showed you the trees. We know everything going on. I think these are the boys pulling up right now. Nope, that's an oil truck. I get a shot of these guys pulling up. We're gonna set out the lane closure and we're gonna start hammering some fucking trees, man. So I'll see you soon. Oh, here they come. Oh, they're lit up too. Are we lit up? Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. These boys had to stop for coffee, so we beat them here. There's my favorite truck. Where's D Nice at? Yeah. Rolling in with the chipper, boys. Rolling in with the chipper. Nah, I think he rode with Nick. Oh! Oh, everybody's excited to go to work today. That's because these boys be making $77 an hour. What's up, D Nice? I missed you, bro. Hey, did you guys find out Shane got bibs, bro? Oh, he finally bought them. Finally bought them. What's up, Dennis? See, now you just look like an artist, like you're painting a picture. All right, let's go set this lane closure out. What we got in here? What you guys get? Anything good?
I got that iced coffee, dog.
You got that for me though?
No.
Oh fuck, that's fucked up.
I got a Red Bull for you.
Do you? Yeah, I'll get it later though. We're gonna swap batteries quick, and then we're gonna set up a lane closure. Joe has some fully illegal substances with him. I'm gonna show you right now. Joe, where's those illegal substances? Oh, cannolis. Don't tell anybody. Don't turn us into the feds. Hey, Joe got them cannolis. Then we'll packed in like sardines, boys. Scott, you got room? Oh God! What happened?
T-wrench.
Hey, make sure them saws are fucking ripping. You know, they flip me off. Lights on for safety.
Oh yeah.
Let's go find this first tree. That's how we're gonna do her.
Looking for blue dots. Blue dots.
There should be a. We're gonna turn the heat on. Should be an orange line on the guardrail. Oh, I see an orange line. Oh, where she is.
There's the orange
There
mark.
she glows.
You jumping out?
Hey boys, I'm sorry, man. I forgot you were back there.
Okay, man, it's okay.
Did I break that hard?
Yeah, bro.
Really?
No, we were following. Yo, we started back here. We ended up almost up there.
I'm sorry, dog. All right, there's the first tree. We're gonna back up. We'll back up wherever I stop. Lay your first three for our beginning, and then we'll lay them out. All right. We're gonna back up.
You can do work both sides.
I'm thinking for the morning we'll work both sides. You know what I mean? Dropping and chipping and making a living. Yep. 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 Oh, we're not doing that side today? Huh? Probably not getting to this side today, no. Yep. 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 Scott is sleeping.
Yeah.
You were out though, Scott. You were out, Scott. My man was out. I was gonna draw a dick on his face, but he woke up. He knew it. What happened when I said Scott's asleep? I woke him up, motherfucker.
My spidey senses.
Yeah. Spidey senses. You guys clear? Oh shit. Buster, I'm gonna take the chipper.
Okay.
So you could drive this. All right, Ian, you could go first, go to the absolute end of the lane closure, unload the Sal, and come down to us. We can roll out now if you want. They're running already. The first sign's got to have 3 flags on it. Second sign doesn't have to have any flags on it, which is sort of silly because that's the one that's more important, letting you know it's 1 lane road ahead. And the flagger sign has to have 3 flags. And then we offset the one on this side. It's for traffic coming this way to let you know that you're out of the work zone. Sal should be coming down. All right, so Nick, what we'll do is we'll work both sides evenly. I don't want to bomb anything till the Sal's down here. But here's the problem. We have to measure everything. So we should start doing that now.
I mean,
man, I love that you're using the same glove you cut your finger with.
Hey, are we clear on cars?
I gotta get some kind of use out of here.
Who's here? Bomb away, You boys are tuned in to Nicholas Turtwilliger. We're about to bomb some trees. We'll see how that goes for now. Give it like 10 minutes or so. We'll see where it goes. He thought it was going to be the other thing in my pocket. Fucking there, cut that up a little. Watch it! Watch it! Watch it! There it goes! No! 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 Ah! Fire in the hole! Ah. There goes the first guardrail fuck up on the deck. Ready? Here, watch this. Watch this. You want to see this fucking shoot? Hold on. Watch. You see that? That's got pressure on it. Now, what are you eating? None of your fucking business. Oh! He told you to mind your goddamn business, bitch! I want you to brakes on. Alright, YouTube, you're back with the man. I took the camera from Nick. I'm about to hit up that Red Bull. Let me see if I can get the old crack on camera here. You ready? Oh! Did you hear that, boys? What's up? Yeah. All right, see you out when we're working. Whoa! It's hurting my eyes. What is this mysterious white substance? Can you see it on camera? It's accumulating on Joe's jacket. Son of a bitch.
On the other end. Can we send it?
I don't know how hard it's supposed to snow, but we're gonna keep blasting out. What time is it now? 11:10. We'll see what happens, boys.
No, that's all right. You want to hear some? You want to hear some shit?
What?
Yo, I wake up yesterday morning.
Oh, this is pretty
boots
funny.
on, dog. Put my fucking boot on. Yo, it almost feels like somebody stuffed a sock in my boot. It's all right. Take
Listen.
I take my boot back off. I stuff my hand in there. Yo, it's soft, like fuzzy. Yo, took my hand back out of my boot. Took my boot, shook it upside down. It's gone.
It was a mouse. It was a mouse.
Get the fuck out
Yeah.
of here.
He had hey, Ian, he had a mouse in his boot when he put his boot on. He said he thought it was a sock in there. He reached in and grabbed a mouse.
No way.
I'm gonna give it like 10 or 15 more minutes, and if it doesn't stop, we'll start packing up. His visibility's shot, but I don't want what happened to us last year to happen again. You know?
White out.
Stopping, and it stopped in 10 minutes, you know what I mean?
Didn't look like it was gonna, but
No, I don't think it's gonna, but I'm gonna take the chance right now, give us a few more minutes. We'll drop a few more trees and then see where we're sitting. What's up, man? You from here?
I got one notch in this tree.
You from around here?
Yeah, right about top of the fucking mountain.
Oh, okay. What are they saying for the snow? Is this just a squall coming through? Or is it snowing all day?
Well, it's going to start snowing all day, then switch over to rain later.
But right now, so I'm just trying to figure out. We're from down in Kingston. I'm just trying to figure out if this snow's here for the rest of the day, so we pack up or not. You know? But you seen it's gonna snow the rest of the day?
Yep, that's what I saw.
All right, yeah. Because visibility is pretty shot. How's the visibility on them signs? Shitty?
Well, up on top of that mountain, you would see more than here than him.
Oh, really? Okay. All right. So, all right. Thank you for your info. Yeah, let's get everything put away. This visibility is too much. I'm worried someone's gonna slide into Joe.
Yeah, I get it.
Son of a bitch, Buster! What the fuck? Hold on. I'm writing something important. Please? Oh shit, I'm gonna run out of room!
Oh no!
Oh no! Here are you two. I'm putting the. Where am I? R-I-B-E. Look!
Subscribe!
If you don't, I will find you and physically choke you out
Yeah!
until your face falls forward, hits the keyboard, and hits the subscribe button.
It's the subscribe.
I hope I can see it. Hey, I don't know if you want to drop. I want to drop your trailer right here and swap for the dually because we only need 2 trucks to go home. I got that for you too. Don't lose it. Oh, that's fucked up, man. You go out of your way. Go out of my way to buy you something.
So you want to drop that right here?
Drop it right here. Yeah. Hey, we still did good, man.
Hey, Kev said we had like 49 trees done in that first set.
Yeah, we did almost 10,000.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not bad. What time is it?
11:24. I'm not gonna stand in here just in case. Hey! Oh, perfect.
Mike, it was.
Kicking ass. So what we're doing right now is we had this truck on that big ass trailer. But this truck's a 4-door, so we're swapping trailers so we have enough seats to get everybody home. Hey, what I want to do is once we'll get everything smushed up to here, move Joe all the way up to here, pick up all the cones, And then we could take the trucks out to the that side road there, pick up the signs, and then we could all roll out together.
Where are we parking?
At the end of 30, you take a left. Remember we parked by the remember we parked at that storage unit? Yeah, but it's to the left this time. Keep coming, straight. Hold up, nice and slow. Cut a little to the left. Little to the left. Oh! Alright, straight back, nice and slow. You're about 10 inches away. Yep, good. Right there, don't move. We might get that one shotter.
Ross, man, when you get a second, need help down here.
You're clear. What's wrong, Nick?
This trailer won't go high enough.
Copy. We got a bunch of fucking blocks down here. We'll block it and we'll pick it up a little higher.
That's it. Right
Yeah, this will be fine. We'll just drop the fucking deck. Put that one right there. Drop the trailer down. Put another peg out.
Are we gonna be able? Got bit by the fucking tree bug. Is that gonna be enough?
I'll literally only miss it by this much.
Now watch, we're gonna just finish up blue skies.
A little bit. Good.
Motherfucker, I wasn't recording. You guys missed it. A car tried to go around us, and then I chucked a cone. It went over top the fucking truck, right?
Over the top of the truck out to the other side.
We don't stop fucking working.
Oh, hell no.
Hey, we'll grab these right now. No gloves. No glove mafia,
It
motherfucker.
don't matter. My gloves are soaked.
Pull right off to the side. We'll let the plow truck pass. Yep.
Hold on, Shane. Hold on.
It was sunny fucking 30 minutes ago.
20 minutes ago. Shit came out of
Nowhere, dude. I ain't worried. I took a gamble coming out today, but
But we still got some done.
yeah, we did good. Yep.
I mean, we would have lost it if we didn't come out.
Yeah. Yeah, we would have lost a day's worth of work. Remember, we still got to go
yeah.
get the other side.
What happened?
We still got to go
Yeah.
get the other side.
We
Okay.
still got other side.
Fucking dude fucking flies around the fucking plow truck.
Right around the fucking
And then like we,
Silver car?
yeah, fucking idiot.
Flew by Joe and he was trying to
Dude.
back in.
Yeah.
fucking scumbag.
Bunch of, they're from fucking Maryland. Fuck you, Maryland.
I'm gonna show you something, fucking Maryland.
I'm gonna knock your ass into Maryland. All right. Let's clean this up. We gotta go get the other side. Yo, I'm telling you, bro, when I first found out we were working today, I was this close to calling out. I was gonna call that motherfucker and be like,
I ain't coming in.
I ain't fucking coming in. Yo, that cold air ain't hurting your head? I'm getting brain freeze.
I'm getting
I don't trust Buster. He's crazy.
Yo, watch that flat bike, Joe. Oh, Scott, you're with us? I didn't even know you fucking. I didn't even know he came to join the party. Yo!
It's like a giant fucking.
I feel like that's like Thor's hand.
Yeah. I'm gonna ride like a fucking gangster on the side.
Yeah.
You got your seatbelt on?
No, you don't.
Buster, you're crazy at driving, dude.
Oh man, no leaving Grandpa behind.
Yeah, he will die out here. He will die out here.
Grandpa.
Once his dementia starts kicking in,
Oh shit.
he'll think he's in the desert,
Facts.
take his clothes off.
Yep. What? Oh man. I didn't realize the fucking the snow's just throwing off the tire onto my side. That sucked.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, man! You're just as bad
You good?
as me!
Put it in park!
Fuck!
Alright.
Go, man!
Put it in park! You narc! Look at the fucking side from the wind.
Yeah, that's crazy. That shit flexing.
Come on, bitch.
I think this is the retarded one. Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, these flags are different. Put it in park, you narc.
Yo, man, nothing's as bad as this water when you hit the brakes on me and Shane.
Yo, I didn't even.
I thought we was going there.
Yo, I swear to you, man, I didn't even think it was that hard, and I forgot you were back there. Hey, Buster, turn the AC off. The AC. Yeah, just turn the heat back on. All right, we're driving back. We're still in the snow. It's fucking horrible out. I got the gooseneck on the back, as I already showed you, so I figured I'd tell you a joke. Nick, I think I told you this joke before about the rope that walked into the bar. I tell you that one?
Nah.
All right. So this piece of rope walks into a bar, sits down, orders a drink. Bartender looks at him and goes, "Hey, we don't serve your type. Get out of here." Rope's like, "Damn, man, that's fucked up. That's racist." He goes outside. He's like, "Man, I really need a drink. I had a long day. I could really use a beer." So the rope, well, you know, messes up his hair. Goes back into the bar, sits down. Bartender looks at him and goes, "We don't serve your type. You're the same rope that was just in here." And he goes, "Damn it." He goes, "Get out of here. I told you I don't serve your type around here." So he goes back outside. He's like, "Man, I got to try one more time." So he ties himself in a knot. Goes back inside. Bartender goes, "Hey, aren't you the same piece of rope that was just in here?" And he goes, "I'm afraid not." Tell me that shit's not funny. Joe, did you hear that?
No.
No? Oh, you son of a bitch. Anyway, I hope you liked that one there. Alright, it's probably the end of the video unless something else cool happens or we wind up in a ditch on the way back. If that happens, I promise you I'll start recording again. This shit's getting bad though, bro. Look at it. It's almost like about as ugly as that. Holy shit, dude. Say bye, Nick.
Fuck you!
Alright, I keep telling you that we're done, but we got another one. Oh, yeah. Look at you, you fucking idiot. Look at this. You can't handle a fucking Honda Fit, and I got a fucking gooseneck trailer. Man, you're stupid. Dumb.
Damn, I missed that. That's because they keep cranking
There we
up this
go.
fucking hill.
What? Yeah.
They keep cranking up.
I don't know. I think she was traveling our way and slid in, because if you looked at the tire marks,
Oh, I didn't
it
even
looked like she slid in sideways from this lane.
park there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he did good. Hey, we're back, boys. Cause this dumbass done hit a fucking guardrail. Yeah, how the fuck do you do that? Look at this dumbass. All you gotta do is slow down, son. Slow down. Good thing DEP's out here, buddy. Yeah, you're not allowed to park there. Sheesh. Alright, boys, call me a big fat liar. Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Round
We got
number
another
10.
one. We got another one. Kev called it too. He said it ain't gonna be last one. Are they in the middle? Oh yeah, they are in the middle. Dummies, man. Especially right here. The road ain't even that bad right here. Oh, that's Ulster PD. He's probably doing nothing about it too. There's a lot more important things I gotta deal with. Their tire fucked up? It looks like that tire is facing out. Right? Oh no, yeah, you fucked up. How fast were you going? Alright, there's no way we're gonna see another one
because we're not that far away from the shop. So, right? I think so. Should be good. All right.